Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn prepositions of time. It's an important concept of English language. But before that, let's recapitulate what is a preposition. A preposition is a word that links nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words in a sentence. That means it tells the position of a noun, or it shows directions, locations, places, and time. It also introduces an object. And what is a preposition of time? As the name suggests, a preposition of a time is used to indicate when the action has taken place. And most commonly used prepositions of time are at, in, and on. So remember, three prepositions of time. Number one, in, then on, and the third one is at. Let's learn about these prepositions one by one. First is preposition in. Children, in is used to talk about months. In May, in March. When we talk about months, my birthday falls in the month of May. Then year, when we talk about year, for example, he shifted to India in 2020 or in 2021. Then seasons. We also use prepositions before the names of the season, for example, in summer, in winter. Then centuries. Centuries means a period of 100 years. In the 19th century, in the 20th century. Decades, a period of 10 years. In the 90s, in the 70s. The songs in the 70s were wonderful. Parts of a day. Parts of a day in the morning, in the afternoon. And next comes preposition on. Children, on is used when we have names of days with us. Before the names of days, we always use preposition on. For example, on Sunday, on Friday. Next is before the dates. On April 1903 or on May 2020. We also use on prepositions before special days. For example, on Diwali, on Independence Day, or on Mother's Day, etc. So children, on is used before the names of the days, before dates, and before the special days. Kids, at is used to denote exact or specific time. For example, exact time. From exact time, I mean at 10 o'clock or at 11 p.m. when we are very specific about the time, or exact part of the day. Which part of the day we are talking about? At noon, at lunchtime. When we are too specific, then we always use at. So remember, in is used for a longer duration and at is used for a specific time. Now it's an activity time. You have to choose the correct preposition of time, that is in, on, and at, to complete the given sentences. Our class starts dash 8 a.m. The options are in, on, and at. I'm waiting. You can use the chat box to answer. Your time is up. It's at 8 a.m. Why? Because 8 a.m. is an exact time. We are sure about the time. My birthday falls dash August. I'm waiting for you. Use the chat box. And the correct answer is in. Why? Because August is the name of a month. And I have already told you, when we talk about longer period of time, we use in preposition. Can you read with me? Tarun is appearing for his exam dash July 4, 2024. Dear children, now with the year and month, date is also given to you. It's July 4. So that's why we'll use on, because we have a specific date. Clear? The store closes dash midnight. I'm waiting. Use the chat box. Yes, it's at because midnight is a specific time. And what's that time? 12 o'clock at night. So the store closes at midnight. They moved to the US dash 2019. Children, we have to use preposition before the year. And remember, year is a longer period of a time. So that's why we will use in preposition because 2019 is a year and it's very long duration of time. That's why we have used in preposition. Look at this picture. The sun is shining. So, can you guess the season? Yes, it's summertime. It's too hot dash summer. Again, summer is a season, a longer duration. That's why we'll use in. And remember, with the name of seasons, we always use in preposition. I hope preposition of time is clear to you. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye. Tata.